Opa. So this is the mama. The mama with the 4 puppies. The mama with the 4 puppies that she was locked in the chain. And now she's free. They already put on weight because they are eating all the time. Hey, you are happy? You are happy. All of them are very, very happy. And they love these dog houses because they have a blankets inside and they are nice and warm. They love it. So this is an update about the mother and the 4 puppies. The mama was chained up. She already put on weight, you see? Yeah? And she's so happy. She say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. This one is the most shy one, but very happy. And this is the area where they live. They have 2 areas actually. They go up and down. Very happy. Bravo! They are super happy. Now they enjoy their life. Bravo! Back to food. They are always eating. So this is all this big area is for them. And all the houses for them. Let's call them now to come. Come, baby! Bravo! So this is an update about the mama and the 4 puppies that they was chained up. Happy. Happy family.